you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that we love two things, beer and coffee. And today we're going to talk about how we make the best coffee when we're on the road. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Tech Tips Thursday. Today I got a short video for you. We're going to be going over how we make the best cup of coffee when we're on the road. Now we've tried a bunch of different methods, the instant coffee, and I've even taken a French press with me. And the issues we've had is either it's too bulky or the quality of the coffee just isn't there. So I found a way to make a great cup of coffee when we're on the road that almost takes up no space at all. And that's made by GET A Summit. It's called the X Brew. And this is a collapsible coffee dripper. And the best thing about it is it has a reusable mesh, so you don't need to use filters. And that's really what sold me on this. That plus the size. It's tiny, hardly takes up any space. Now to go along with that, we have what's called the X Tumbler, which is just what it is. It's a tumbler. It's basically a coffee cup. It's collapsible. But what's different about this is, see those little ridges there? What that does is that keeps it cool to the touch, so you're not holding a burning cup of coffee. We had a couple of the old cheap collapsible ones that we got off Amazon, and the problem with those is they were great for drinking. They didn't take up a lot of space, but they were very hot, especially when you're drinking coffee. So this has worked out really good. This is the second one I just got. That's why it's still in the package. And this actually is the replacement one that I got because on the last one I actually tore up the mesh. That was my mistake, and Amazon sent me another one, so this is the replacement. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you how it works. And really simple, really easy, and great cup of coffee. So I got everything I need right here. I got the fresh ground coffee. Now this is the collapsible coffee drip. You just pop it out, and I will give you a word of caution. Don't make the same mistake I did. When you push it, don't push from the bottom. That's what I did, and I ended up tearing it after pushing it too many times. Push it from the edges, and it just pops right out. And there you go. This is the actual mug. You see those ridges there? And basically this goes on top of it, and you just put in your coffee, pour in your water. So let's do that now. Get your hot water. Now periodically you do want to check and see where the level's at, because you can't see the coffee level through the cup. So every once in a while just look through it. Just add a little bit of water at a time. And I like to rotate around the cup, kind of get all the beans in there. Shake it out, whatever's left. And there you go. And that's it. A couple of minutes, you got yourself a great cup of coffee on the road, and literally takes no space at all in your pack. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, do me a favor, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the road.